everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm doing my Walgreens ad preview a little bit differently because I will be out of town and I won't have access to my computer. So I am showing you guys the ad preview on iHeartWags. This is what I go to because you guys can usually see the ads pretty early. But yeah, iHeartWags.com. Love this site. I go to this site for a while. But I'm just going to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for July 14th through the July 20th. So here we go. So as you guys can see, my screen's a little bit different than normal because that's how they loaded it. But you guys can see there's a Downy and Tide Simply. They're going to be $2.95, and then there's going to be a $1 off coupon, making them $1.95, which is a pretty okay deal. They also have the Scott's paper towels for $5. We should still have those 50% off coupons from coupons.com if they're not available. I don't think they're available on coupons.com anymore, but you guys can also use the $1.25 off coupon from the Walgreens booklet. So they come out to be $3.75, otherwise $3.75 without the coupon. They have packs of pop, 3 for $9.99. That's an okay deal, but I really don't recommend that. They also have, my computer froze. That's awesome. Okay, you guys, sorry, my computer froze on me. But right here we have General Mills cereal. They're going to be $1.99. In the 6:30 Smart Source, there is a $1 off a 2 coupon that you guys can use. So you guys would pay $2.98. You guys would also get a $1 off a 2 from your Savings Star app, making them $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. There's also a deal in the Savings Star app where if you spend $35, you guys will get $5. So if you guys need to buy $35 worth of General Mills cereal, there you go. Maybelline is buy one get one 50% off. They do have Hershey's and Kit Kat bars for 69 cents. They also have these Snuggle and All for buy one get one free. You guys can actually use the 6/16 Retail Me Not coupon, which I think that coupon does expire that day. I can't remember. I don't know if I still have it saved on here. Let's see. This is Coupon Tom. So it does expire the 14th. So you guys can use it for Sunday only. But you guys would use that buy one get one free. Use that $2 off a 2 coupon. You guys would get, I don't know the price for those, but then you guys will also get the $1 Savings Star if you guys had that clipped to your card. So there's that. They have Dixie plates and vanity napkins. Buy one, get one 50% off. I would not do this deal. The best deal is when they're buy one, get one free. But there will be a $1 off a 2 coupon. So I'd save that coupon. Still clip it, but just save it for the future. Lots of buy one, get one free of the ground beef. El Paso, nice tortillas. You guys can get some decent stuff with that. Cheez-Its, $1.99. Keebler's, $1.99. Candy. I'm trying to cut back on a lot of candy just because we're trying to cut back on a lot of things. Here they got some water where the water, it looks like it's 2 for $3, and then it's buy 3, you guys get a tote. So I don't know how cheap that tote is, but it looks like the water is 2 for $3, and then the Vino Skincare is buy one get one 50% off. So I just say buy 3 waters and get a free tote. So I might have to check that out. Lots more snacks. Pringles is 4 for $4. They do have a mystery one. I should try that mystery one. Benjamin and I should do a taste test on the Pringles. What do you guys think? Now here is the cleaning supplies. They got Persil for $5.99 with a $2 off coupon, making it $3.99. Not the greatest deal, but it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. They have the Palmolive dish soap for 99 cents, which is an okay deal. Hopefully you guys got the big bottles for 99 cents back then. Other stuff, not very much going on. School supplies are starting to go on sale, so you guys, so that means the summer stuff will be going down in price. So if you guys are eyeing anything up, make sure you keep your price on that. Also, school supplies, I will be doing $5 challenges, mostly at like Walgreens. I still got to do Staples. I got to do Office Max, Office Depot. So you guys will start seeing me do $5 challenges, and what I do with those $5 challenges is I actually buy that stuff and then I donate it to the school. So you guys will see me donate a lot of stuff to the schools just because, you know, it's good to help out. So more school supplies. Sorry, my cat in the background is hacking up a lung, even though she's not going to do anything.
Paris, you're not getting any cups.
No cups, Paris. Almay is $6.99. If you guys buy 2, you'll get a $7 register reward. Sally Hansen is 2 for $11. Looks like L'Oreal, it spends, if you buy 2 or spend 15, you get $5 register reward. It's going to be kind of a slow week, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. This is something kind of cool. It's individual makeup removers, or buy one, get one 50% off. Here they got Garnier Fructis, 2 for $7. We are getting a 4 off a 2 coupon, making them $3. Scoonsy, all that hair stuff is buy one, get one free. Diapers, not the greatest deal with that. Gillette razors, again, not the greatest deal. There's just not the greatest deals this week, you guys. So now we're into the medicines and all that stuff. I don't see really anything that's popping out at me. The Poise deal, that's an all-month thing. Again, $5.99. You guys would use the $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, plus you guys can use a $3 off coupon, making it 99 cents. So right there's your proof. If your stores don't let you stack regular coupons on the Walgreens booklet.
Love you.
Yeah. So you guys can do that. And then here is the last page. Oral Care is buy 2, get the 3rd free. Lysol, buy 1, get 1 free. We do have some coupons, I think, for that. Extra, again, is 3 for $4. I would not do that deal. But other than that, that is the Walgreens ad preview for next week. Sorry for doing it a little bit different, you guys. I sometimes would do it on this site, but sometimes it's not the greatest quality of a picture. So I like to show you guys the Walgreens website because it's just clear. But had to do this because I will be out of town. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.